In Photoshop you can go from this to this in seconds, using a great feature of Photoshop. In Photoshop you can manipulate the colour of any image very quickly using image menu and adjustments. But a really quick way of modifying the colour, simply go to Filter, down to Camera Raw Filter, and then over here to the presets. Click there and there's hundreds and hundreds of great presets. Just hover over and you will see the colour change before your eyes. There's concerts, vintage effects, as well as futuristic effects, as well as cinematic. Simply select and click OK. Nearly instant Asteroid City effect. Of course you can also manipulate it even further by going to the Edit menu and down to Fade Camera Raw Filter, and then change the opacity as well as the blending mode. Maybe go for Darken or Linear Burn or maybe Screen, and then click OK.